Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. I hope you're all doing well. So I'm very excited to unveil the content in this box. We've imported this product and it's literally come through today, just right now, and I'm going to unbox this, and it's available in very limited quantity and it's not available in the UK, hence we had to import it. So let's unbox it and show you. Okay, it's been very securely packaged, as you can see. So I'm going to cut all the tapes around and share it with you. So here we go. Look at that. As you can see from there, it's a Samsung Galaxy Z trifold. Here we go. Let's move this box out of the way. It's been packaged very well. As you can imagine, it's a very expensive device. I'm sure they don't want any damages on the box. Here we go. The trifold, available only in very limited stock, and it's not available in the UK. And those of you who are interested in this will know that it's only available in Korea, China, Singapore, Middle East, and I believe tomorrow is due to come out in the USA, but only very limited quantity available in all the countries. So we've got ours imported from Korea and we're really excited. It's one of the probably the most expensive mobile device we've ever bought. Those of you who watch our channel regularly will notice that we were in Dubai a while back and we had a look at the Huawei trifold. We decided to not to go ahead because of the Huawei ban that would create limitation here in the UK. So when the Samsung announced their trifold, we were like really excited and we thought this is something that we will most certainly try to get it for. By the way, I did really like the Huawei trifold, the way it folds, the thinness, how it opened up. You can use two screen and not have to fold the third screen if you didn't need to. But ultimately, I think we decided not to go ahead because of the fact that screen coming out, folding outward, that actually made us worry a bit. Anyway, finally got our trifold and I'm so excited. I can't wait to unbox it. We've had all the folds so far. I was just looking at this one and thinking, look at the progression from the first fold, second fold, third fold, and going on to the trifold now. Anyway, we'll do some comparison with the Fold 7 and show you guys. So let's unbox and reveal this amazing piece of technology that is setting the next step to modern technology and mobile devices. Sooner or later, I don't think we'll be needing to carry our laptops with us. So anyway, without any further ado, let's get unboxing. Okay, so let's have a quick look at the box. It is actually quite heavy and quite wide and also quite chunky. If we look at the previous boxes, they're very light, small, thin. Although this is a smaller fold in terms of the chunkiness, we know this one will have a lot more compared to this one because with the trifold, a lot more content is in this box. So let's have a look. So here we go. Oh, there's another box, is it? Okay, so we've got a smaller box here. We'll have a look at that in a minute. Oh my god, look at that. That takes my breath away. How amazing is that? Got the cover screen here. This will go in. This is the back section with the camera. Anyway, we'll have a look at the phone in a minute. Let's just quickly check the box and see what's in there, and then we'll go through the phone. So let's have a look and see what's in here. Okay. So in here, this is the case. So the first time Samsung has included a case with their device. Feels quite good, nice and light. Feels quite silky actually. Inside as well, it feels rather nice, soft and silky. The material is carbon fiber, and this is the famous hinge protection. So I can't wait to try it on and see how it looks. But the case itself is very nice and light. We've got the branding here, Samsung, and again designed by Samsung and made in China. Okay, let's move on. and see what's in this box here. Okay, so here we've got the SIM ejector, we've got the charging cable and instructions, warranty. Everything's in Korean, so I won't attempt to read this. I'll put that away and put this box away. So here we go. Let's get the phone out. So look at that, the trifold. Okay, actually there's more things. Let's look at what the rest of the content of the box, and then we'll come back to the phone. There we go. We've got the charger. For the first time in many years, Samsung has included a charger. This is the 45-watt fast charger. Unfortunately, because we imported this from Korea, it doesn't have the UK pin, so we're going to have to get an adapter. Okay, so there's nothing else in the box. You'd think there's some other stuff with this thing, but there isn't. And by the way, there's no Samsung Care or anything with this, so you'll have to insure your phone, I'm assuming. So put this away and get the phone back. Okay, so this is the phone, the trifold, and then this is the screen part. Before I take the protectors off, let's have a quick close-up look. So we've got the back camera section here, we've got the front screen there, and this is the screen that will go in the middle of the fold. If we just have a look how thin this trifold is. This panel here is 3.9 mm, and this panel here, the front screen, is 4.2 mm. This panel, which is the back panel, is 4.0 mm. They're all different size because obviously it folds in and then that folds over it. So before I take the cover off, I'm just going to show around because I don't want my handprint to get on it. So let's have a quick look. As you can see, there's a speaker here on the middle panel, microphone, and 2 more microphones on the bottom panel. And then on the side, as you can see, the camera bump. The camera bump actually looks almost similar size as the panel itself. So you can imagine how thin the fold is. So you've got the volume rocker here, power on, fingerprint scanner here. Going down at the bottom, you can see the charging port, it's the same size as the panel itself. So you can imagine how thin this fold is. For them to get the charging port in there, it's almost the size as the panel itself. So we have a microphone at the bottom and the charging port, and then here in the middle panel we have another speaker. That's it. On this side, SIM slot and a speaker, and here on the edge here and the edge there, as you can see, there's a little bump. This is the protection because this panel will go in, so when you close it, it's not gonna damage your screen. And here, as you can see, the little bump here where the screen, the hinge to close your screen, you've got one here as well. These are slightly bumpier higher up, and as you can see, this side, the screen that goes in is smaller size compared to the one on your right. The larger one is on the back side of your screen, and on top is a smaller one. Okay, so it's time to take the wrap off. Let's start off with the cover screen wrap. To slightly pick at it to get this off. So here we go. Look at that. It feels amazing to pull this off actually. Wow, look at that. There's a screen protector we can see on top of the screen, and we've got the camera here. Okay, let's turn around, go to this side and take this off. Wow, look at this. How amazing is that? 10-inch tablet in your pocket. I mean, compare it to this, which is 10.5 inch. Look at that. You've almost got a tablet in your pocket. This is the Samsung tablet as well, 10.5 inch. And it's the same size, screen size, slightly bigger. How amazing is that? And you can see it's a very nicely fitted screen protector on the screen, so you don't have to worry about screen protectors. You can see the inner screen selfie camera here. By the way, it's not a under display camera. So what do you think, guys? How amazing does it look? So guys, we're gonna turn this on now. Shall we turn it on? Okay, so let's open it and show you what the crease now looks like since we've done the fold. There you go. Now you can see the crease. Can you see? I can't feel it. Actually, I can feel a tiny bit, but when you look at it, the shine actually shows the depth of the screen, but you can't actually feel much of it. I can feel a tiny bit. So guys, as you can see, the crease, you can't really see it much. You can see a tiny bit of a depth there on the crease, but not like the previous folds. But we'll cover this more when we set up the phone and look at the features and do a bit more in-depth comparison to Fold 7. So let's turn it on. There we go. It took a while. It's come on now. So while it comes on, I'll show you a bit of a comparison with Fold 7. As you can see, the sizes here. So here we go. We've got the Fold 7 here and trifold there. I tell you what, we're going to set this up and come back with, we'll do a setup video as well, and we'll create a lot more content with the trifold. We share all the how to do's videos in terms of doing the NFC payment and all the different features that we use on our trifold. We'll try to make videos, create content for you guys. We want to get to 10k subscribers, so please do support us by subscribing and keeping your notification bells on for our upcoming videos. And if you do have any questions or you'd like us to cover anything in particular, do leave a message in the comment section and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. So here we go, guys. The trifold is now on. We've set it up. We'll publish the video, set up video soon, and with the case on. How does it look? With the case on, it feels slightly bulkier, but not that bulky because the case itself is quite light and thin. I think obviously the covering here for the protection of the hinge gives another few more mm on the side, so that may feel a bit bigger, but to be honest, it doesn't feel that much of a difference. So I'm just going to open and show you the big screen. So here we go. There we are. How does it look? I think it looks amazing actually. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.